Hello everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how to sign in ChatGPT from your mobile phone. Firstly, open your browser. Then, in the search bar, tap ChatGPT. Then, search for OpenAI. Click on this link. It will lead you to this screen. Then, press on Try ChatGPT. Sometimes we can see that ChatGPT is at full capacity, so we must wait. After a few times, we can see this screen appears. If you haven't signed up for ChatGPT, then use sign up or else log in. The next process is typing your email address and your password. After that, we can see a lot of examples and capabilities what ChatGPT can go through. So the process next is typing what you want ChatGPT to do for you. That's all for today. Thank you.